Hello kids. Welcome to PS classes. Our objective is to create love for education. Let's begin with the video.
Hello students, today we will learn the sound of U as in word cube. Now we will see some of the examples. U, view, review, review, you, few, you, new, you, mew, you, preview, pupil, human, music, future, humid, unit, fuel, rescue, argue, continue, value, cube, cute, fuse, tube, mute, use. Now we will see the words. EW gives the sound of U in the word view. V-E-U, view. Re-V-E-U, review. Few, F-U, few. N-U, new. N-U, new. M-U, mew. M-U, mew. Preview, pre, preview, preview. Open syllable words. Pupil, P-U-P-I-L, pupil. Human, human. Music, music, music. Future, future, future. Humid, 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 humid. Unit, 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 unit. UE also gives the sound of U in the word fuel. F-U-L, fuel. Rescue, you, rescue. Argue, you, argue. Continue, continue, you. Value, you, value. Q, you, Q. VCE words. Cube, cube, cute, cute.